Welcome to Slide Egg. Let me show you how you can loop Google Slides automatically for your presentations. So, first things first, open up your Google Slides. Pick any presentation you like. Look at that, it already looks amazing, doesn't it? Now, click on the Slideshow button to start. Once the slideshow is open, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll notice 3 little dots there. Go ahead and click on them. From the menu that appears, select Autoplay. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to choose how many seconds each slide will stay on the screen. Let's go with 5 seconds. Oh, and don't forget to click the loop option. This will make sure your slides keep playing over and over without stopping. Once that's done, hit play, and there you go. Your presentation is now looping automatically. Cool, right? If you ever want to adjust the timing, you can do that for all your slides in the settings. And when you're ready to stop, just press Escape. And that's it. You've mastered how to loop Google Slides automatically for your presentations. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to Slide Egg for more tips. See you next time.